Did you know one Swedish band created the chainsaw guitar sound that defines death metal today? In 1988, Dismember formed in Stockholm and helped birth the legendary buzzsaw tone using the HM2 pedal. Their 1991 album, Like an Ever-Flowing Stream, became a cornerstone of Swedish death metal. Unlike their chaotic peers, Dismember mixed savage riffing with memorable melodies. They influenced everyone from Entombed to modern revival bands worldwide. When they reunited in 2019, younger metalheads discovered they weren't just nostalgia. They were the original source of that iconic sound.